Hey everyone, welcome back to Skills Exceed, your one-stop channel for mastering Excel and other IT tools. In today's quick tutorial, we're going to look at how to remove borders from your Excel tables or cells in just a few easy steps. We've all been there. You create a table in Excel and apply borders to make your data look more organized. But what if you want to clean up the look, remove the borders, or just start fresh? I'm here to show you how to do that. Step 1. Select the range of cells where you want to remove the borders. You can do this by simply clicking and dragging over the area or using keyboard shortcuts like Ctrl+, Shift+ arrow keys to quickly select your data range. Next, go up to the Home tab in Excel's ribbon. In the Font section, you'll see the Borders icon. This is where all the border options live. Now from the drop-down menu, scroll down to the No Border option and click it. And voila, the borders are gone. For those who love working with shortcuts, here's a quick tip. You can press Ctrl+, Shift+, _ to instantly remove all borders from your selected cells. But what if you only want to remove certain borders, like just the top or just the sides? No problem. Go back to the Borders menu and choose the option that works best for you. For example, selecting Top Border will only remove the border from the top of the selected range. Now that you've removed the borders, your table looks clean and professional. If you ever need to add them back, you can easily do that from the same menu. It's all about what works for your data. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Skills Exceed for more tips on Excel and other IT tools. Let me know in the comments what Excel trick you'd like to learn next.